Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download Linux on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and type Windows PowerShell in the search bar. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because we will need administrative privileges to enable WSL. When the PowerShell window opens, type the command WSL, install and press Enter. This command will enable the Windows subsystem for Linux and install a default Linux distribution for you. After you run the command, Windows will start downloading the necessary files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the process is complete, you will see a message asking you to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart so the changes can take effect. When your computer turns back on, you will be inside the Linux terminal. You can now run Linux commands, install packages, and use it like a regular Linux system. Thanks for watching.